Walk into any appliance store in 2026, and the refrigerator aisle feels like a casino. French doors with touchscreens, side-by-side refrigerators with cameras inside, smart fridges that text you when you are low on milk, stainless steel everywhere, prices from $800 to $4,000, and a salesman earning commission who swears every single model is reliable. Here is what that salesman will never tell you. 1 in 3 refrigerators with ice makers will develop a serious problem within 5 years. That number comes from Consumer Reports, based on over 71,000 units surveyed. Refrigerators are the most repaired appliance in the American home. Several of the models sitting under showroom lights right now are already known by technicians as the machines they see every single week. If you are about to spend $1,000 to $3,000 on a new refrigerator, you need to see this list first. We are ranking the 8 worst refrigerators you should avoid in 2026. From bad to catastrophic. No sponsorships, no affiliate links. Just the data your wallet deserves. Let us begin. Number 8. Frigidaire FFHB2750T. The leaky French door. Frigidaire has been making refrigerators for over 100 years. That heritage means nothing when it comes to this model. The FFHB2750T is a French door refrigerator with a bottom freezer. It looks clean in the store. The price is reasonable at around $1,200. And that is where the good news ends. Technicians report 3 consistent failure points on this model. First, the ice maker. Multiple owners report the ice maker failing within the first year, producing thin hollow cubes or stopping entirely. Second, water leaks. The defrost drain clogs frequently, sending water pooling under the crisper drawers and eventually onto your kitchen floor. Third, the gaskets. The door seals on this model wear prematurely, allowing warm air in and forcing the compressor to overwork. That compressor is not built for overwork. It is built for a price point. Frigidaire's service rate sits at approximately 21.8%, one of the highest among major brands. That means roughly 1 in 5 Frigidaire refrigerators needs repair. For $1,200, those are not acceptable odds. Number 7. LG LRF XS2503S. The smart fridge that is not so smart. LG makes a beautiful refrigerator. The finish is clean, the interior lighting is impressive, and the smart features look great in the store demo. The problem is what happens after month 18. This model uses LG's linear compressor technology. Unlike traditional rotary compressors that spin continuously in an oil bath, the linear compressor moves a piston back and forth. LG claimed it was quieter and more efficient. What they did not mention is that it is mechanically fragile. When the linear compressor fails, it often sends metal shavings through the sealed cooling system. At that point, you are not replacing a compressor. You are replacing the entire sealed system or buying a new refrigerator. LG did extend their compressor warranty to 10 years after a class action lawsuit over these failures. But a warranty does not cover the $300 in spoiled food in your freezer, or the 2 weeks you spent waiting for a certified technician in a market where many independent repair shops refuse to service LG products. Hub Appliance in Boston said it plainly: stay away from LG and Samsung. One repair technician in New Hampshire reported that LG restricts training to certified dealer technicians only, which means independent repair companies often cannot get parts or documentation. If the nearest LG certified technician is 90 miles from your house, that warranty means nothing. Number 6. GE Monogram ZS48N, a luxury disaster. This is a $10,000 built-in refrigerator. For that price, you would expect perfection. You would be wrong. GE Monogram is a premium sub-brand of GE appliances, which is now owned by the Chinese conglomerate Haier. Multiple owners have reported rust forming inside the freezer compartment, mold growing in the door seals, and the unit failing to maintain safe food temperatures. One owner on Reddit reported their GE Monogram was deemed unrepairable by the company, and GE refused to replace it, even under warranty. Another owner says a technician sent by GE threatened them when they tried to report poor service. These are $10,000 appliances with customer service you would not accept from a $500 machine. The lesson here is that a higher price does not buy you higher reliability. It buys you a more expensive repair bill. Number 5. Samsung RF28R7351SR. The French door with 600 complaints. If there is one brand that technicians across America agree on, it is Samsung. And the agreement is unanimous. Avoid it. Samsung's French door refrigerators were the subject of a class action lawsuit alleging that the units failed to maintain food-safe temperatures. The lawsuit cited over 600 customer complaints, with more than 200 reporting food spoilage as the primary issue. Even after Samsung sent technicians to perform repairs, the fridges continued to experience unsafe temperatures. Samsung eventually refused to repair, replace, or refund many of the affected units. But the temperature issue is not even the biggest problem. The ice maker is. Samsung French door ice makers are the single most complained about component in the American refrigerator market. The ice maker sits in the refrigerator compartment instead of the freezer. This violates basic thermodynamics. The unit tries to freeze water inside a box designed to keep food at 38 degrees. The seals fail. Frost builds up. The fan motor burns out. The ice maker becomes a solid block of ice that jams and leaks water onto your floor. Samsung has released multiple service kits to address this issue. Technicians report that these kits are hit or miss. Some owners go through 3 or 4 ice maker replacements before giving up. And Samsung recently started displaying advertisements on their smart fridge screens, a decision that tells you everything about how they view the relationship between the company and the customer. You are not the owner. You are the audience. Repair professionals across the country have said the same thing. One technician in Boston said he had to call 6 different appliance repair companies before finding one willing to work on his own Samsung fridge. When the repairman will not fix it, that is all the data you need. Number 4. Kenmore Elite 795, the Sears Ghost. Kenmore used to be one of the most trusted names in American appliances. It was the flagship brand of Sears. But Sears went bankrupt, and Kenmore is now a brand without a manufacturer. Kenmore does not make anything. It contracts production to other companies, primarily LG and Whirlpool. This means a Kenmore refrigerator might be an LG with a different sticker, or it might be a Whirlpool. You have no way of knowing which factory built your unit until you look at the model number and cross-reference it. The Kenmore Elite 795 series is particularly problematic because many units in this range are manufactured by LG. That means you inherit all of LG's linear compressor problems, all of LG's parts availability issues, and all of LG's service network restrictions, but without LG's 10-year compressor warranty. Kenmore's own warranty is shorter. You get the worst of both worlds. The risk of LG engineering with less warranty protection. Parts availability for discontinued Kenmore models has become a nightmare since Sears closed most of its stores. Technicians report waiting weeks for components that may or may not arrive. If your Kenmore fridge breaks in 2026, finding someone who can fix it and finding the parts they need has become its own full-time job. Number 3. Any smart refrigerator with a touchscreen. This is not a single model. This is an entire category. In 2026, every major manufacturer is pushing smart refrigerators with built-in touchscreens, internal cameras, Wi-Fi connectivity, and app integration. These features add $400 to $1,000 to the price of the unit. They add exactly $0 to the lifespan. A touchscreen on a refrigerator is a computer strapped to the front of a box that runs 24 hours a day in a humid kitchen environment. The screen fails. The software stops updating within 3 to 5 years. The apps crash. The cameras fog over. And when the Wi-Fi module or the display board dies, the replacement part costs $300 to $600. For a feature that tells you there are eggs in your fridge when you already know they are there. Every technician we researched said the same thing. The fewer features, the fewer failures. A basic top freezer refrigerator has a 40% lower failure rate than a French door model. Not because the brand is different, because the engineering is simpler. Fewer circuit boards, fewer sensors, fewer sealed components, fewer things that can break and cost you $500 to fix. Number 2. Samsung Bespoke RF29BB8600, the $4,000 gamble. Samsung's Bespoke line is marketed as the future of kitchen design. Customizable color panels, a family hub touchscreen with Bixby voice assistant, internal cameras, meal planning apps. It costs between $3,000 and $4,000. And underneath all of that marketing is the same Samsung engineering that generated 600 complaints and a class action lawsuit. The Bespoke uses the same ice maker platform that fails on their lower-end models. The same linear compressor technology that LG popularized, and that technicians have spent a decade warning about. The same sealed system that makes most major repairs economically impractical. You are paying $4,000 for a refrigerator that has the same core failure points as a $1,200 Samsung. Wrapped in customizable plastic panels and a screen that will show you advertisements. The Bespoke is not a premium appliance. It is a premium marketing campaign attached to a mid-tier refrigerator. Number 1. Any refrigerator you buy based on the showroom experience. The number 1 worst refrigerator in 2026 is whichever one you buy, because it looked good under fluorescent lights and a salesman told you it was reliable. The showroom is designed to sell. The lighting flatters stainless steel. The doors are cleaned hourly. The ice maker is not connected. The compressor is not running under load. You are seeing a prop, not a machine. The refrigerator you take home will run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in a kitchen with heat, humidity, cooking grease, and temperature swings. It will be filled with 70 to 100 pounds of food. The ice maker will run constantly. The compressor will cycle thousands of times. The gaskets will expand and contract with every door opening. That is the reality the showroom hides from you. Before we close, here is what to actually buy. If you want reliability above all else, buy a Whirlpool or Maytag top freezer model with no ice maker and no water dispenser. It will cost you $600 to $900. It will last 15 to 20 years with minimal maintenance. Every independent repair technician in America can work on it. The parts will be available for a decade after it is discontinued. It is not glamorous. It is not smart. It keeps your food cold, which is the only thing a refrigerator needs to do. If you want a French door, buy a Bosch. Their service rate is 13.2%, the lowest tracked by any major analysis. Buy the model without the touchscreen. Skip the internal cameras. Get the ice maker in the freezer, not the door. Pay more up front. Call the repairman less. If budget is tight, buy a basic Amana top freezer. It is the cheapest refrigerator on the floor, and it is manufactured by Whirlpool. The service rate is low because there is nothing complex inside to break. $500, 10 years, no drama. Here is the rule. Before you buy any refrigerator in 2026, ask one question. Not what features does it have. Ask what can break and how much it will cost to fix. If the salesman cannot answer that, he is selling you a showroom prop, not a kitchen appliance. Stop buying the touchscreen. Start buying the compressor. If this saved you from a $1,000 mistake, subscribe. Next week, we are exposing the 5 appliance brands that American repairmen actually install in their own homes. The list is going to surprise you.